So, really great news. We have an assistant, an AI assistant for you. He's called Erik, and will help you write comments based upon your state specific requirements, including the standards of practice or terminology or just your preferred writing style. So, our AI assistant, Erik, is fully customizable. You can customize the way you write comments. It should be customized, right? Any way you want, right? So if you want to put jokes in all of your comments, knock jokes, you can. If you want to be real specific to your state requirements, like you can't say certain things, you can do that as well. Log into your software, go to Erik QA on the left-hand side. Yeah. And then you can enable Erik or not. You can turn them on or turn them off. Okay. And then you scroll down to, here's the part, comment writing guidelines. These are instructions on how Erik can write and evaluate your inspection comments. Remember, if you don't know how to write a comment, you can just say, hey, there's a hole in the roof. And then you can ask Erik to help me write a comment, right? Based upon your guidelines. So you can tell Erik exactly how you want him to write and guide your comments, and you can customize this. So you can customize it to your state-specific requirements, like your standards of practice, like in Texas or Florida or New York. You can customize it based upon your certifications, like maybe you're not supposed to say mold or code in your report. So Erik will look for the word mold and code in every comment that you write. Or maybe your team, right? So now if you're a manager, you can manage the way, the quality, and the standard by which your company writes reports. Oh, based upon your standard, not my standard, not international standard, based upon your standard. You can raise the bar and you can manage your own comments and your own reports. I mean, we have a spell checker, that's easy. But this is something different. Like you can have a preferred writing style. You can sound scholarly or casual and conversational, right? And you can write terminology or you can avoid certain terminologies, right? Certain words. Don't say the word code, right? And you can customize it by any liability reducing language that you prefer. We currently have pre-written in Erik's writing guidelines, something we call DDID. This is from North Carolina Home Inspector Licensing Board. This is what's required in our state. To write comments, you have to comply with DDID. So why don't you take a look before you delete it all here. This is what's pre-written. This is what comes with the software. And take a look. So if you're in Texas, you can tell Erik, always follow Texas TREC standards. You can use the DDI format and include liability reducing language like recommend a qualified contractor to further evaluate. And then Erik will follow your guidelines when helping you write or improve comments throughout the entire software. This is really good software. I like it a lot.